Vegas Pro, previously known as Sony Vegas Pro before being acquired by MAGIX, is a powerful video editing software suite designed for professionals needing to produce high-quality HD videos. This software stands out in the realm of video editing for its intuitive timeline-based interface and robust feature set, making it popular among content creators, filmmakers, and broadcasters. Vegas Pro offers a comprehensive range of tools for video editing, color correction, audio editing, and much more. It supports all popular video formats, allowing users to work with a wide variety of media types. One of its key features is the ability to edit video and audio tracks independently, providing greater flexibility and precision in the editing process. Additionally, Vegas Pro includes advanced effects and transitions which can be customized to create distinctive looks and styles for any project. The software is particularly noted for its superior audio editing capabilities compared to other video editing software, with support for VST plugins and a high degree of audio control that appeals to professionals who need detailed audio manipulation tools. Vegas Pro's performance is robust, supporting complex and layered projects without significant slowdowns. This efficiency makes it a favored choice for professionals working under tight deadlines who require a reliable and fast editing platform. Furthermore, its hardware acceleration capabilities enhance playback and rendering, making it even more efficient. While the learning curve for Vegas Pro might be steeper than some other video editing software due to its vast array of features and professional tools, it remains accessible through detailed tutorials and a supportive user community. New users can gradually explore its depth of functionality to enhance their video production skills. Vegas Pro is available through a one-time purchase or a subscription model, giving users flexibility in how they choose to invest in the software. This choice is beneficial for users who prefer not to be tied to a recurring payment model. Overall, Vegas Pro is a formidable tool in video editing, known for its versatility, powerful tools, and professional-grade output. It is particularly recommended for professionals who need advanced capabilities in video and audio editing within a responsive and comprehensive environment.